Hi guys, here I'm showing two different days from the Nasdaq futures on these 10-minute charts. As you can see, they both have the same trends right before the open. They go down first, and when we get closer to the open, they shoot up. Now, what if I told you that on one day the market will continue to climb for more than 200 points, while on the other day the market reverses for more than 200 points? Can you guess which one is which? If you look at this indicator below, you might already see which one will reverse. This is Daytrading, and today I will teach you how to find reversals in the market. Okay, let me explain what this indicator is showing. First, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. This indicator is showing us how much resistance there was for the price movement in a candle according to the volume. So to explain this, you can look at these two candles. We have one really big green candle, and then we have a doji candle right after that. But if you look at their volume, it's actually almost the same. But the first candle moved a lot more with this volume than this candle. So this means that there was a lot of resistance right here. So if we know that this is giving us the resistance, we can compare the opening of both days. On this day, we can see on the first candle there is a lot of resistance, and this is what usually happens at the open. We get a lot of volume and the market doesn't know which direction it wants to go. So we get a candle like this. On this day, actually, we don't see that much resistance. We also get a lot of volume, but the market immediately goes up. We don't see that much resistance in the first three candles, so the market is going up, but this upwards trend has not been tested yet. It's actually here at 9 o'clock that we actually get really big resistance on this candle. And afterwards, we see a red candle. We see that after this big candle, the market goes down. We get another resistance candle right here, but this is followed up by this really big red candle. So when you see this, you know that this trend was not really an upwards trend. And we have a lot of resistance here followed by this bearish continuation. So this is very bearish overall. And as you can see, the market will continue to decline on this day. On the other day, we also saw this red candle, but it wasn't after resistance, so this is just a normal pullback. And when we look at the continuation afterwards, we see that the market actually continues to climb. And there's not much resistance at all until we get this candle at 140. I use this indicator on a 1-minute time frame usually, but I also use it on a 10-minute time frame to see which direction the market wants to go. So hopefully this example showed you how this indicator is giving us resistance levels which you can use to take trades. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I am funded with Apex Trader funding. If you want to support me, you can use the code below to get 80% off their eval accounts. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about this indicator, please leave a comment below.